Welcome to Gratitude in Stillness Meditation. For the next few minutes, there's nowhere to go and nothing to improve. Let your body arrive here first. Gently bring your attention to your forehead. Allow it to soften, smooth, release. Let that relaxation flow into your eyes. Let them rest back comfortably. No effort, no holding. Allow the jaw to unclench, let the tongue relax and rest naturally in your mouth. Notice how the face changes when it's no longer working. Let that ease move into your neck and shoulders. If there's weight there, allow it to drop even a little. You don't have to carry it right now. Let the relaxation move into your chest and abdomen. Notice the breath moving freely here. With every exhale, the body settles a bit more. Allow this softness to travel down through your hips, thighs, knees, calves, feet, and toes. Feel the whole body resting, supported, held. Quietly remind yourself nothing is missing in this moment. Now notice something important. There's nothing else you need to do in this moment. No insight to reach, no state to maintain. Your only permission right now is to rest. Let your body know it doesn't have to stay alert. Let your mind know it doesn't have to keep watch. Say gently inside, I'm allowed to rest. And if a thought arises, even that can rest. And let that permission sink in. Now, gently bring awareness to this simple truth. There is so much happening in your life that works, that supports you, that you really need to think about. Your breath arriving on its own, your heart beating without effort, your body keeping you alive. Let gratitude begin here, not as a list, but as a feeling. A quiet appreciation of what's already present. You might notice gratitude for your body, not because it's perfect, but because it's here. You might feel appreciation for rest, for safety, for this pause. Let it be subtle. Let this affirmation land gently. I notice what supports me. I notice what supports me. I notice what supports me. Gratitude changes how you see what's already here. As your view shifts, the world feels different. You may notice a soft warmth in the chest, or a sense of openness, or simply a calm neutrality. All of that is enough. Let another truth settle inside. I have more than I realize. I have more than I realize. I have more gonna realize you don't need to search for gratitude, it expands naturally. Rest here, breathing, noticing, allowing. And one more gentle reminder, this moment is enough. This moment is enough. This moment is enough. Now begin to bring back awareness to the body. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the breath once more. Gratitude doesn't end when this meditation ends. It quietly follows you into ordinary moments. When you notice it, life feels a little softer, a little fuller. Take one slow breath in and let it go. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this way of seeing with you. Nothing changed, and yet everything looks different. Thanks for meditating with me.